Hi there, Jean Greer here at Stylish Fireplaces with some advice on how to have an electric fireplace without heat. We do get this request from time to time, often with commercial installations where the fireplace is going to be in a public area like a lobby and they don't want anyone to inadvertently turn heat on. So most electric fireplaces do have heaters in them. 99% of them have a heater built in. The thing to remember is that you never have to have the heater on to have the flames on with an electric fireplace. So you always have the option to avoid using the heater and still enjoy the flames. Having said that, there are situations where you just don't want a heater to be available to anyone. And so there are a few models that don't have heaters built in. Here behind me there are a couple of good examples. The Dimplex Optivie series is a video-based fire, and that is a no heat fireplace. There is no heater in it and there is no option for a heater. Behind me is the Dimplex Optimist. The cassette system there is making flames from tap water. There is an optional heater that can be connected, but you don't have a heater in the cassette itself. So if you're in a situation where you don't want heat, you would simply install the cassettes and you wouldn't add the optional heater. And so those are two good no heat options that also look amazing and have sound effects and nice flames, but no heat. The other easy way to have no heat on a regular electric fireplace is to use the heat lockout feature. So that's a family-friendly feature on a lot of electrics, not all. You press a combination of buttons and it locks the heater so that little fingers can't turn the heater on by mistake. So that's an option on a lot of electrics. You'd have to check the manual to see if that's an option on the one that you're thinking of. And we have a list of those on our website in our blog. And last but not least, we can disable the heaters on electric fireplaces. So most of them have heaters. Those heaters can be disconnected. So we just disconnect the wires. We have to open up the fireplace to do that. Some manuals do show instructions on how to do that, so your installer could do that. We can do it here at our warehouse before the fireplace goes out the door. So it is a possibility for people who want a fireplace model that happens to have a heater and they really don't want to have to rely on the heat lockout feature in certain situations. The heater could be disabled. You can find details and links on our Stylish blog at stylishfireplaces.ca.